Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to plan your trade. Basically, I just input my photo with my relevant indicator into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT helped me to analyze for the calculation and the strategy based on ChatGPT. So basically later I will show you how. So first of all, we need to go through the indicator used for today's video. And the indicator used for today's video will be dynamic linear regression channel. Basically, it will provide a channel, a uptrend channel or even a downtrend channel based on the chart performance. And you can customize your channel based on the settings. Later we'll go through it how. And make sure that you watch to the end of this video, and I will teach you how to use this indicator with the support of its definition and using ChatGPT to analyze for this indicator. So let's start. First of all, in today's video, we are going to use dynamic linear regression channels, and later we will take 3 latest reversal point for the indicator. We will use risk reward projection to find out its profit vs its loss. So in summary, if the risk reward projection is more than 1, we can plan our trade as the reward is more higher compared to the risk, so it is a good trade to be strategized. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. In today's video, we are going to use dynamic linear regression channel by Iravan, the author, and the indicator will plot a new regression channel from the point where the previous channel is broken, thus keeping the length of the bar in trend dynamic. So basically, regression channels are useful to detecting the trend change, support and resistance level, and to trade mean revision. So this is the definition of this indicator. Basically, it will provide a channel and also support resistance to support for the channel to make use to plan for your strategy. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, currently I have just opened for this indicator. You can open the indicator by going to the indicators tab and search for dynamic linear regression. Choose this first option with editor peaks. Basically, this is a good indicator that can be used to strategize your strategy, and you can just open it up. Next, you can go to the settings tab. Next, you can go to the settings tab by just pressing the settings, and in settings tab, these two setting is one of the important to be alter and manipulate based on your chart. So basically, you can just adjust the upper and downward deviation for the graph. This is 2 vs 2. If you choose 1 vs 1, this will be a graph with a smaller magnitude, smaller time frame graph that are more suitable to use for this graph. As you can see, the channel is too narrow to plan for your strategy. If you choose 3 or even 4, basically the graph will not form a optimized trend in your chart. So basically we will use 2 vs 2 as for our optimized for our trading strategy. So just press for OK. You also can change for other settings such as the visibility and the style, and you can just save it up. So in this indicator, you also can find out its description by going to the 3 tabs and find about the script, and it will show you the description and the settings script used for this indicator. So thanks to the author Iravan to provide such incredible indicator. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, if you want to take a trade at this position, this specified position, as the graph only extend to this area, so basically it reaches the lower of the boundary, you can just plan your trade term. You can just plan a long position, for example at this area, around this area. So basically you can just plan your risk reward ratio using the channel For example, you want to plan a short-term position, make sure that you plan and you cut loss if the trend have a reversal based on the channel. So for example, my stop loss will be 277.3 and my take profit will be at the 287.37. My risk reward ratio is quite high, 4.72, and you also need to be punctual on your stop loss and your take profit point, as this already have strategized with the high risk reward ratio and you need to plan for your trade. So this is how you can manually use this channel to plan your strategized pattern. And if you want to have ChatGPT to help you to analyze your trade, first you need to take a screenshot photo on the graph. Make sure that you take a full screenshot photo from the graph, and you can just ask ChatGPT, for example, at my settings here, help me to plan my trading strategy based on the indicator used in the picture, and plan the strategy with the risk reward projection is more than 1. Basically, risk reward position is more than 1. We can plan a good trade with a higher reward compared to the risk. And also, you make sure that you are using 4.0, GPT 4.0, as this will help you to analyze more faster and convenient price point. So basically, it will provide now current price and also the lower channel boundary, upper channel boundary. So you can see, so it provide quite similar analyze based on the indicator, and also you can see the entry point will be quite similar based on the channel. So it will provide the risk reward calculation, and also the ratio is favorable as is significant greater than 1. So basically it asks us to obey the risk reward ratio to be more than 1, and the risk reward ratio provided by them is 3.19. So they also summarize the point. For example, the risk reward ratio is calculated is over 3, so it's making a more potentially favorable trade setup. So you can just use ChatGPT to help you to analyze, and this is only for reference, educational reference. You need to take your own strategize based on your own strategy and your setup. So you also can try out a few trading first using paper trading before you start using trading in the real trading world. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this indicator to plan your trade, and also you can ask ChatGPT to help you to analyze for the trade. And also you make sure that you need to adjust your strategy based on market condition and continuously evaluate your risk management practice. This is based on your own strategy and you need to take your position. Yeah, basically that's all for today's video. If you want to learn more, you can just check the description down below and try out yourself. Thank you.